back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. But let me just say it. Welcome to the Just Get It Nation. If it's your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're back, you've been rocking with me, rolling with me, all of that, then you already know, you already know. Today we have a what I eat in a day Victio. Do I know what I'm eating? No, but we gonna eat some food. It's gonna be high protein. I think I'm gonna be around 1,800 calories, but you'll know in the title. You'll say it in the title if that's where we end up. Give or take, give or take. We wanna end up there, but if we don't, it is what it is. So I just got back from the Bahamas pretty much a day ago because I came in the nighttime. So a day ago, we're gonna push out a meal prep video after this video, so stay tuned for that. And we just gonna eat today. We gonna eat today. Also, something I'm gonna try. I've never had it before. This Kettle and Fire bone broth. I got the classic beef. I want to give it a try. It says it's 19 grams of protein for this whole entire container. Am I gonna drink the whole entire container? No. I'm only gonna drink 1/4 of it and then divide it up for the next few days. Bone broth has some benefits. So I said, why not, why not? We're gonna start off the morning with this. Then we're gonna go ahead, make some breakfast, make some lunch, make some dinner, eat some snacks. Y'all know the deal, so stay tuned.